Whoa, what's up everyone, my name is Abhishek, you are watching Excel World, let's get started. Before starting my video, I just want to thank to all my viewers because without you, I am nothing. And sorry, I can't able to post any video last week due to my exams. But now I am back and I will try to upload at least 2 to 3 contents every week. So keep supporting me guys and hit the subscribe button, and without wasting any more time, let's get started. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can combine or merge two cells in one cell with using a simple Excel function. And the function is, you have to type firstly equal and then concat, that is concat. So double click that function, select the first name, and if you want space between your first name and the last name, you have to do one more step. So you have to start double quotation, hit the space bar, close the double quotation, comma, and then select the last name, close brackets, press enter, and here you go. How awesome is that? So you can combine two cells in one cell with the Excel formula in just 10 seconds, I think so. So to copy that formula down all the way where you have your data, just double click the plus sign in the right bottom corner, and here you go. The formula is copied all the way to down, so you can see how easy it was. And these all names are my friend's name, and you can check your name, and if I miss anyone, just write that name in the comment section and I will definitely use that name in my next video. I hope you like my content. If you like, hit the subscribe button and see you in next video.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.